Hey, what's up? Big fan of Ryan Nicholson. And apparently, a while back, they put this, of course, it got torched. Live feed. Hanger. It's pretty big, too. Now, if you flip it around here. Oh. You got Ryan's and all the autographs, which are very cool. So the whole box is autographed. But then when you open it up, there's some packing here. Thank you, Brandon. You did a very good job. Stuff like it's mint. The other two posters. And then all the extras. I was pretty stoked when I got it. I'm like really into Ryan, and with him passing, rest in peace. I was really excited to get my hands on this. Anyway, so 1 out of 10. Well, actually, this is 10 of 10, but I mean, I got 1 of the 10 to add to my Nicholson collection. Bada bang, there's the pins. Pretty cool, huh? Peace. Support horror.